Okay, thank you, Alex. So, you've seen how the EATM Team Manager enables a database application. Let's give you some more details. Our new EATM Team Manager Appliance Transaction Modules provides enterprise-to-controller connectivity. It enables the development workflow database application like the PCC Airfoil application, and it also enables service-oriented architecture, enterprise resource planning, and manufacturing execution planning applications. And for each of you code warriors out there, the EATM Team Manager is configured, not programmed. Data can be easily moved to applications using standard tools. It also supports a wide selection of communications adapters in a single compact package, such as message-based data exchange such as JMS, Java Messaging Services, popular databases, and Rockwell Automation, Siemens S7 TCP IP, and Schneider Modbus TCP controller protocols. It's all in a single package to simplify transaction between business and plant applications and controllers. Now let's take a look at the capabilities of the EATM Team Manager. Simply stated, it provides data exchange between one or more computer systems to one or more automation controllers. These exchanges are accomplished by the use of specific adapters ordered with the module for specific computer system or automation controller data communications. The mapping and triggers in the module enable the configuration of data exchanges. And to support the growing number of companies that are choosing messaging architectures to integrate data into MES and ERP products, the EATM Team Manager supports messaging adapters for the following software. And as you just saw from the demonstration by Alex, he was working with the IBM WAS JMS. Database adapters are the other major type of computer adapters, such as the MS SQL, Oracle, MySQL, and IBM DB2, which includes AS400, System I, and ZOS. For automation adapters, EATM Team Manager supports Rockwell Automation controllers via the backplane. It also supports a wide range of controllers with Rockwell Automation bridge modules and also onboard Ethernet IP. The EATM Team Manager automation adapters also include support for Siemens S7 TCP IP and Schneider Modbus TCP via the module's Ethernet ports. For environments that include a mix of controller brands, this makes it much easier to connect to a variety of controller types and brands to plant or enterprise computer systems. As you have seen, the new EATM Team Manager appliance makes configuring data for enterprise-to-controller applications easy. It helps enable SOA, or service-oriented architecture, ERP, and MES applications, and it is easy to configure without programming. So, at the controller-to-controller level, I'm going to briefly mention two new modules that may be of interest to you. The CATM Bailey allows you to migrate Bailey Infi 90 or Network 90 DCS consoles to control logics for use with applications such as FactoryTalk View SE. It provides flexible data handling by supporting DCS block functions, system status monitoring, and there are no hard tag limits. So once configured, use with applications such as FactoryTalk View SE for visualization, alarming, etc. Rockwell Automation offers a conversion tool that simplifies the tag import into the appliance and into RSLogix 5000. We developed this project in close cooperation with Rovisis and with key process people at Rockwell Automation. Mike Vernack of Rockwell will be covering process applications, including this type of application, in session T16. The CATM offers connectivity to 50 brands and hundreds of controllers and devices from manufacturers such as Fisher, GE Fanuc, Omron, and Yokogawa. It's basically a Swiss Army knife module with all drivers included. To learn more about our appliance transaction modules, you have a lot of options. Several other people are available to answer your questions and demonstrate how data is configured. They can tell you more about our capabilities for computer-to-controller and controller-to-controller data connectivity. There are also several technical sessions here at the Automation Fair that cover our appliance transaction module product line. For example, we have T52, ControlLogix Migration and Connectivity, covers more details on the PCC airfoils application and discusses how the eATM Team Manager improves data exchange. Session T16 is DCS Migration, how to convert customers to plant packs, and that includes our CATM Bailey DCS appliance to simplify Bailey DCS console migration. In session T5 is a case study presented by River on a coal inventory tracking system. This system includes an eATM X coupler with a Microsoft SQL database. These sessions are all listed in your Automation Fair program. This and other presentations are available on our website, www.oldie.com, during the show. If any of your coworkers back at the office would be interested in these new appliance transaction modules, have them log on to oldie.com. After the show, you can view the archive of this presentation on our website. We also invite you to schedule a custom-tailored WebEx for you and your coworkers. We can present information about our products that is tailored to your needs. We'll even archive the information from the WebEx so you can refer to it later on or send it to others. And of course, you can always go to www.oldie.com for a wealth of information. Thank you for attending, and I hope this information will make your job a little bit easier. And don't forget, my coworkers are ready to answer your questions.